This might be the final nail in the coffin of the Amazon Fire Stick after reports came out that Amazon is done with Android on all future Fire TV sticks. And if this is true, I think this changes everything. So we're gonna jump into the details. Of course, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. So we just got a new report that Amazon is going all in on their Vega OS system. And if you guys been subscribed to the channel, you know that they did roll out the Fire TV Stick Select a couple months back, and this was their first Vega OS Fire TV. Yesterday they also announced that they're rolling out a new Fire TV Stick HD. This is also Vega OS, and of course this report comes out which kind of lines up with what we're actually seeing. So if this is true, this could be the biggest downgrade that Fire TV Stick users have ever seen. So what's happening? So according to reports from AFTV News, of course I'll link the article in the description, Amazon is planning to release all future Fire TV Sticks with Vega OS only. So that means no more Android, no more side loading, no more Fire OS as we know it, and potentially that freedom that we all loved all the way gone. Now, if you've been using a Fire TV Stick for a while, you know that the main reason people buy these devices is because they were open, they're running Android. That means you can sideload your apps, you can do custom launchers, you can install APKs. All of that is possible because they were Android based. So this is essentially where it gets really bad. With the new Fire TV Stick Select and now the new Fire TV Stick HD running Vega OS, you can no longer sideload. You have limited app support. I went to the app store and there's absolutely nothing in there. It's totally garbage, it's trash, and of course they're way more locked down. You can't do developer options, you can't really do anything but install apps that Amazon allows you to install, and Amazon isn't even being upfront about it. They're actually trying to hide the fact that this device runs a completely different OS. For some users, they don't even see the warning that sideloading is blocked unless they're logged in under a certain account, and to me, crazy in my opinion. So now think about this. Amazon went from saying we'll continue making Android based devices to now quietly switching everything over to Vega OS. And they're not promoting it, they're not explaining it, they're basically hoping people do not notice, and that should tell you everything you really need to know about their strategy. So what does this mean for you moving forward? So if the reports are true, every new Fire TV Stick from here on will be locked down. The flexibility we love and had for years is going to be gone, and the Fire Stick becomes just another basic streaming device. At that point, why even buy one? Especially where we know that we do have better alternatives out there, and this is exactly why a lot of people are going to start switching to Google TV devices. If you see my video yesterday, you know that ON just released two new streaming devices. Of course, the ON 4K Pro 2nd generation and the new ON 4K streaming stick, which both are better than Fire TVs already in my opinion. So of course these devices, along with other Google TV devices, the Xiaomi Mi Box devices, they still allow full app access, side loading, as well as more control. Basically everything Amazon is taking away. So there you have it. If you've been thinking about getting a Fire TV Stick, you might want to grab one of the older models that you can still side load on, because this Vega OS move, it might officially be the beginning of the end for the Fire TV Stick. So let me know in the comment section, would you still buy a Fire TV Stick without Android? And if you found this helpful, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and definitely I'll catch you on the next video.